Mr. Tyree, loser, lowlife sneeze. Sneeze. Bro, you are something else with this Ashley thing, bro. I have never heard a man say he's beautiful so many times in my life. Beautiful. I'm beautiful, Ashley. I'm perfect. Bro, I wouldn't put you on a cover of a free magazine. I wouldn't even put you in a magazine that's free. You know, one of those paper magazines where auto traders, you get one of those things for free. Bro, I wouldn't even put you on that. You are trying your hardest to manipulate the world to thinking that you don't do this, you don't do that to Ashley. You're just this perfect dude. Bro, obviously you ain't crap because she don't want you. She don't want you. And you think it's cool to say, I ain't giving up. I ain't giving up, Ash. I ain't giving up on you. Because she knows the truth about you. That's it, bro. She knows the truth about you. She knows about all your shady crap you do. She knows you're a racist piece of crap. She knows you're a sucker. Because you know what? She got your butt for $200. You idiot. She got you for $200. And you know it. But you trying your hardest to act like it don't matter. But you literally bring it up every day. Every day you bring it up. And you bring up the fact that you said she's on drugs. And I even try to act like you this real sincere person because you say people was talking about her and this and that. And you was there just your white and shining armor. And truth be told, only reason why you saying this because you always want sympathy from people. I've never seen a man in my life that cries, literally cries like a crybaby. Cry, why you just don't leave me alone? I'm doing everything right. I'm doing everything right. Why? I'm not a slacker. I'm not a slacker, Ash. I just sleeps in hotel rooms and fake like I'm a millionaire, Ashley. You know that, Ashley. You know I'm broke. Don't have two nickels to rub together. But I'm perfect, Ashley. See, she knows what you are, man. She knows that you ain't nothing but a pathetic, sorry excuse for a man. Now, on top of that, a crybaby. I don't know no female that would say, ooh, that turns me on. Seeing a grown man cry like a baby and a grown man that can't fight a lick. That's that right, my love? So, from a female's perspective, why in the F would they want you? I don't get it, bro. I really don't get why you were trying to put that girl out like this. And truth be told, bro, she's more of a hustler than you are. Because she got your sorry butt for $200. She literally got you begging for her. But I don't understand this, though. You clearly say you're perfect, you're this and that, you got money. Why? Then how come you don't have a single female ever around you, in the room with you? Nothing. And don't say because you want Ashley, because you know what? No. She don't want you. I guarantee she'd be happy to see another female, for you can keep your stalker butt away from her. You are so dumb, man. You play yourself. You play yourself. Because the only thing you do is talk yourself into getting played. Am I right, baby? So I'm trying to understand the logic of your stupidity. And only thing keep coming up is, it is none. You got that right, baby. It ain't none. What man, that's your point, baby. What man says, I give you drugs to get you back? So that supposed to be a good, outstanding man that say, Ashley, I love you so much that I will give you drugs to get you back. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. You are a scumbag. Loser. A scumbag. Only a scumbag, lowlife, piece of crap like you would think that's okay to say. And you know what? All these videos you make of basically talking about her the whole time, it ain't for her. It's for you. For you. Because everything you say trickles back to, why are you doing this to me, to a person that's perfect and just wants you as their wife? Why? You know, to me, that is the epitome of a no character, low life, selfish, coward of a little boy. You don't have a look of man in you. You got a hunchback. You got those stupid looking tattoos on your body. Your grill, every time you talk, it looks like you don't got no fronts, bro. And then when you smile, what? And not to mention your little bologna slices for your lips. That's a good one, baby. It's like, you corny, bro. You're a corny thug, bro. You probably got your credentials out of a cereal box. You know, when you got toys in the cereal box, they probably had a nice little Dakota thug ring in there that said, if you put this ring on, you will become the softest thug in the universe. So put it on at your own risk. You said, ooh, Dakota ring. That means I'm a thug now. And I already got my Thug for Dummies book. I already got one of those, so I'm set. I'm set. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I'm the hardest out here. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You the hardest out here, but you begging for a woman. You begging for, in your words, a junkie, a drug addict. Hey, what's the other one you said she is? What's the other one? She just need help. She's sick. Oh, you call her a pathological liar? Remember, he said that let people dog him, just talk about him. You will stand up to me, Ashley, but you won't stand up to them. Why? 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 You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You can go from being like, oh my God, Ashley, why don't you want to be with me? I love you. I wish you was my wife just doing this. I love you, Ashley. But, you know what I mean? You know, hey, I got money, you know. I got money. I look beautiful. You know, I'm an outstanding man. You know, you believe in God, but you won't believe in me, and I'm right in front of you. Like, yo, asinine, but compared yourself to the Lord Almighty, don't ever go there again, bro. You will have so many people trying to get at you and want to hurt you because you are literally trying to talk down to the greatest man on the face of this earth planet anywhere. I would never let you sit on this YouTube and trash the man above. That man has blessed me to no end. He had taught me lessons that I had to learn. See, that's the difference between me as a man and you as a boy. Because only a boy would say love is stronger than Jesus. Who you think gives you the love? Who you think make you see the love? Oh, maybe it's Tyree that lets you see that world. Because, you are, like you say, an angel, right? So which one is it? Are you an angel? Angel of God for God? Or are you love and you the almighty Tyree? And you know what? It's like this, bro. You go. I would hate to be you, man, because, karma's a mother. And you gonna get exposed. Because eventually, you better hope to God actually don't come forward and say some stuff about you. Because I got a great feeling that she really know who you are. And know who you ain't. Bro, you gonna die a lonely death. And only thing gonna be with you when you die is a big ugly necklace you bought, and you didn't spend no $250 for it. You probably spent $40 for the thing. Only thing you gonna have in your possessions when you pass away, you gonna be in that casket with your little white beater, those jeans, and those LA Gears or British Nike shoes. You gonna have that stupid looking chain that's gonna have your neck all green and black and blue. In your other paperweight on your ring, on your finger, you have nothing. You don't have a pot to piss in. You are literally trying to throw up smoke screens to block people's vision of you. And it is comical to me that how you trying to get away with this. Like we all stupid. Like we all go think Tyree on Monday walking to the bus stop and getting on the bus and trying to play basketball, to walking to the same bus stop with a gold necklace on and thinking it's real. Do you know how much sense that make? None whatsoever. You go one day like normal, the loser yourself, the coward, the bum, the broke bum, to, oh, this is worth $1,000. And I got him down. I got my jewelry down. And my jewelry got down to $250. Man, you can be like, this is my jewelry guy. I could walk by, he'd be like, hey, sir, you want to look at anything? And he become my jewelry guy. They are called kiosks for a reason, idiot. They are bullcrap pushers. When have you ever seen a kiosk selling something that's really legitimately worth anything? Exactly. They are worthless. You ever see a attorney or a doctor or this hard worker with money say, ooh, I'm gonna take my fiance to this kiosk in the mall, and I'm gonna have her pick out any ring she want. You see how stupid that sound? Ain't nobody buying no freaking jewelry off a freaking kiosk. Idiot. Jesus. Man. You are a piece of work, bro. A piece of work. You just run your mouth to the point where it's just getting, it makes me just want to throw up, man. Man, wow. You're amazing. I will give you that, bro. You are an amazingly stupid man. You don't go to prison either, bro. Do not go to prison. Cause you know what it's gonna doing. Your name gonna be renamed. You're gonna be Terry. Terry, that female Terry, or Taisha. That's that's gonna be your name in prison. And you gonna say, you know what I mean? As he's pounding that butt of yours, and he gonna make you lay down, and he gonna pound your butt, boy, because you are a tough guy, Tyree. You run stuff, right? Yeah, you run a cell block, getting people's drinks for them. That's exactly what's gonna happen to you, tough guy. And you hate it because all those racist things you said about people, black and Jews, as your words, Jews. You are a piece of crap, bro. And like I said, I am putting down a challenge to you. $1,000, bro. Me and you could pick the place. Because Tyree, it doesn't matter if you take the bet or not. I'm still gonna pull up on you, in your words, pull up on you. And I'm gonna deal with you, bro. I'm gonna deal with you like a man. And you ain't gonna be able to run, and you ain't gonna be able to hide. And you ain't gonna be able to call the police, because that's what hoes like you do. You're a cop caller. You're a cop caller, that's all you are. But like I said, you ain't gonna know who I am, what I look like, what I'm gonna do. But you are gonna know who I am when I pull up on you. So, just remember, it is happening. I am going to make you remember and never say a racist thing out of your mouth again. Because loser, sneeze, you do not know who I am. And I'm always going to be around that corner getting you, ready to get you. So, you better hope my baby is with me. That's the only thing that'll save you. You understand me? Sissy boy. Sissy boy. I hate cussing, but you know what? You will always be the king of the bitches. Because you ain't nothing but a bitch. Remember that. Tyree, loser, bitch, lowlife, sneeze. Hope you get hurt today somehow. So, hey, have a good day. Party, party, party.